Hello and welcome to the ANCC SuccessPays program webinar. This informational webinar is offered to you by the Advanced Practice Initiatives and Certification Outreach team with the collaborative support from the Education and Outreach team of the ANCC Magnet and Pathway program. My name is Lourdes Carriega. I'm the Senior Certification Outreach Specialist from the Advanced Practice Initiatives and Certification Outreach team. I have been with ANCC since 2013 and will be sharing with you information on the ANCC SuccessPays program that we hope you'll find valuable. I will let the rest of our team and speakers introduce themselves to you. Lynn?
Thank you, Lourdes. Hi, my name is Lynn Newberry, and I'm the Education and Outreach Program Manager, and I have the privilege of working with the Magnet Recognition Program and the Pathway to Excellence Program. Caitlin?
Hi, my name is Caitlin. I'm the Certification Outreach Specialist. I work alongside Lourdes with the Advanced Practice Initiatives and Certification Outreach team, and I oversee our creative content and social media. And we also do have other speakers on the line. I'll let them introduce themselves. They'll be available for our Q&A portion, Dr. Sean DeGarmo and Dr. Elizabeth Miller-Walters. So I'll turn it over to Sean.
Good afternoon. Thank you all for joining. My name is Sean DeGarmo. I'm the Director of Advanced Practice Initiatives and Certification Outreach. Please reach out to myself or our team if you have any questions, comments, or feedback. I look forward to working with you all.
Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Elizabeth Miller-Walters. I'm the Assistant Director of Advanced Practice Initiatives and Certification Outreach. Welcome. Really excited to be a part of this webinar today. Thanks.
Well, thank you, everyone. Our mission, what is our mission? The American Nurses Credentialing Center is the credentialing arm of the American Nurses Association. Our driving purpose in the daily work that we do here at ANCC is to promote nursing excellence in nursing and healthcare globally through all our credentialing programs. In the words of Mark Twain, never let formal education get in the way of your learning. This is the essence of lifelong learning. Lifelong learning is an ongoing, voluntary, self-driven pursuit of knowledge for either personal, professional reasons, and or both. Lifelong learning is a core component of employee development. We live in a constantly evolving world. Life demands that we keep up, otherwise we'll be left behind. As humans, we have the innate ability to learn and grow. ANCC certification program firmly supports and enhances our continuing competence in our chosen specialty. It provides a diverse platform to explore the many meaningful ways we can develop personally and professionally. The journey does not end when we receive our certification credential. It is merely the beginning. The SuccessPays program was launched in 2013. How does ANCC support you through this lifelong journey? Through the ANCC SuccessPays program, we have partnered with over 500 organizations, healthcare organizations, acute care, long-term care, professional organizations, workforce talent and development teams, and even schools in support of clinicians' professional growth and development through certifications. We offer substantial cost-saving discounts and zero financial risk if you sign up with a SuccessPays program. Our team holds town hall sessions to stay connected with our primary contacts and stay responsive to their ongoing needs related to their clinician certification journey. These town hall sessions are offered monthly. What are the benefits of the SuccessPays program? There are several benefits to the program. It eliminates barriers in pursuing certification. Tuition reimbursement may not be too encouraging anymore as it entails paying out of pocket first and will be reimbursed only after the nurses pass. Nurses have the potential loss of money and it becomes a barrier for them in pursuit of their certification journey. Under the SuccessPays program, there are 2 maximum attempts to pass. Reduces test-taking anxiety and the fear of failure is set aside. It eliminates financial barriers on both clinicians and organizational levels. The organization only pays for those who pass. There is no charge for any failed attempts. SuccessPays provides resources and support for nurses to achieve certification and for organizations to invest and engage the nursing workforce in professional growth with zero financial risk. How does the SuccessPays program work? We offer partnership through a signed agreement between the organization and ANCC. We're able to set aside a minimum order requirement that is the established goal of the organization. It is your goal, it is your workforce, and it whatever it is that you wanted to achieve for the period of 1 year under the SuccessPays agreement is supported. We increase certified nurses within the organization without having the nurse pay out of pocket and zero financial risk. There are 2 opportunities for the nurses to achieve their certification that's most meaningful for them, and the organization only pays for those who pass. SuccessPays program works and can be used towards initial certification, certification renewals, and even the Retired Certified Nurses Recognition Program. The majority of the program benefits mostly those who are pursuing initial certifications, but these 2 opportunities are also offered, certification renewals and the Retired Nurses Recognition Program. Under the SuccessPays program, we have 17 certifications that are eligible and covered under the program. And these are the 5 advanced practice certifications, the FNP, the AGP-CNP, the acute care AGA-CNP, and the psych mental health NP, as well as our AG-CNS or the adult gerontological CNS specialty. Their credentials are listed right on the slide deck. For all the specialties, we have 12 specialty nursing certifications that are eligible under the SuccessPays program. And this covers a variety of diverse practice settings, such as the ambulatory care nursing, cardiovascular nursing, gerontological nursing, informatics, med-surg, nurse executive advanced, nursing case management or nursing professional development, pain management nursing, pediatric nursing, and psych mental health nursing. All of these are available under the SuccessPays program, and whatever is most meaningful for your clinicians to pursue would be covered under the program. On the renewal, there are about over 46 certifications that are available for certification renewals. And SuccessPays program, as far as pricing structure, is a flat $290 each for each successful certification, and $350 only for certification renewal. How to get started? We would like for you to submit your inquiry and reach out to successpays@ana.org. We'd also strongly encourage that you look at our website, because we have SuccessPays resources and toolkit available for you to review. We have the ability to connect with you and offer a team discussion or a conference call to provide an overview of the program and how you could best implement it at your organization or your facility. One of the great things that ANCC certification has, and this really truly supports lifelong learning, is our flexible renewal requirements. Our renewal requirements for all certifications across the board are due every 5 years, and it offers a variety of professional development categories that most of your clinicians would find meaningful in trying to ensure that their journey in their certification and practice is truly intentional, and meaningful for them in their practice. The certification renewal requirements, as I said, strongly support and promotes lifelong learning, and information about all of these professional development categories and how to meet a renewal requirements are all available on our website, and it's available in a previous webinar that we have offered, and the link is posted here on our deck as well. The resources for preparing for the exam are available on each dedicated page on our website for the specialty certification or advanced practice certification that you wanted to pursue. There are 7 helpful hints on how to prepare for your certification exam that's available on our console. A review test content outline, which we call really the roadmap for where you could actually see what are the domains and specific areas of the certification exam that will be covered. These are developed by the content experts who sat and developed the test content outline for the certification program. There is a list of review test reference listing that's available on our website as well that could provide you all the books and materials and the content that's available for the certification program that you're pursuing. A sample test questions and answers are available as well on the website for you to look at, and consider taking the ANCC readiness test, which has just been recently launched by our measurement services teams of ANCC. The ANCC Measurement Services team, as I mentioned, had recently launched the ANCC Readiness Test. This is an additional resource for preparing for your actual certification exam. It provides an opportunity to familiarize yourself and feel comfortable in a proctored simulated test environment. Currently, there are 7 readiness tests that are offered and available. 4 of them are advanced practice and 3 specialty certifications that's currently available. I will now transition the presentation to my esteemed colleague, Dr. Lynn Newberry, who will share with us valuable perspectives from the Magnet and Pathway programs. Lynn?
Thank you, Lourdes. And thank you for sharing that wonderful information. I can tell you personally, as a nurse leader in a healthcare organization, using the SuccessPays program was a wonderful way for us to be able to help support our staff. To be able to eliminate the barriers, as you mentioned, and really promote success and professional development. I used it myself as a nurse and found it to be very effective and very helpful. So with that, I do want to cover a couple of our key areas and just review a little bit about our organization, the American Nurses Association Enterprise. We do make up 3 branches within the enterprise, and this was formed in 2016. Many of you may be familiar with the American Nurses Association as our membership arm. They are also supporting policy, scopes, and standards, and are our nurse advocates for the 4.4 million nurses across the United States. The American Nurses Foundation is our philanthropic arm and is responsible for charitable contributions and helping to fund research. And lastly, the American Nursing Credentialing Center is supporting nursing excellence through the individual and organization credentials. So a little bit about the various credentials that the ANCC has to offer. We've briefly touched on the 17 ANCC individual credentials in professional certification. We also offer organizational credentials, including the Magnet Recognition Program, the Pathway to Excellence Program for long-term care, as well as for even specialty areas and acute care, and our accreditation colleagues with the Nursing Continual Professional Development for CNE and our PTAP program, our Practice Transition Accreditation Program. We also have a new program that will be kicking off with credentials starting in 2024, and that's pretty exciting for us. And that program is the Advanced Practice Provider Fellowship Accreditation, and this recognizes a transition to practice for physician's assistants and APRNs. So that is very exciting. And lastly, just to show the synergy between the various programs within the ANCC, as you can see here through this visual depiction, the programs are really to focus utilizing Donna Bedian's model of structure, process, outcome, with fostering interprofessional collaboration, supporting and advancing professional practice, sustaining a culture of excellence, and empowering engagement. I do want to mention a couple of things. If your organization is on the Pathway to Excellence journey, to recall that Pathway Standard 6, the Professional Development Standard, does have a specific EOP, or Element of Performance, 6.6, that it can be utilized if you show proof that you are a organization that uses the SuccessPays program. You can be exempt from writing to this one particular element of performance, and that is describe how your organization supports direct care nurses to pursue specialty certification. And then moving to the Magnet Recognition Program, the category of structural empowerment is where you'll find the work of nurses and nurse leaders that are supporting advanced certification. And that can be in SE3 that your organization would need to write, provide a narrative description of the organization's action plan for registered nurses' progress towards obtaining professional board certification. So within that particular source of evidence, your organization would provide information about utilizing the SuccessPays program. I'm going to now turn it over to my colleague, Caitlin, to talk a little bit about the program within the Advanced Practice Initiative. Caitlin?
Hello, thank you so much, Dr. Lynn Newberry. And I will be talking now about the Advanced Practice Initiatives page. So this is one of our newer pages that we have on the website. So if you are an advanced practice nurse or thinking about becoming an advanced practice nurse, here we have some resources available for you. And it's broken down into 4 different domains. So we have practicing APRNs, APRN students, prospective APRN students, and APRN faculty. So some of the general information is available on our main site. And if you have any other questions for us, our Meet the Teams page is also hyperlinked. So you can get in touch with a member of our team if you have any questions about either certification or advanced practice. One thing that I wanted to mention is our social media platforms. Here are all the links to the social media platforms. And you can also follow us on our hashtags ANCC SuccessPays or ANCC Certified. It's a great platform for us to keep you up to date with promo codes, interesting articles, any type of important updates that may take place. We'll put that on these social media platforms as well as the website. So definitely like us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and we'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions if you reach out to us in one of those social media platforms as well. One thing that I wanted to mention here is that we also use social media to congratulate our recently ANCC certified nurses or those that may have recently renewed. So if you would like a Facebook shout out, here's the link to Facebook. Send us a private message with you holding up your Prometric or your results from Prometric indicating that you've passed. So we can do a shout out saying congratulations, this person is now ANCC certified under X certification. And also this is definitely an important time to celebrate our certified nurses because March 19th is coming up. And here we have a toolkit for your organization to utilize for Certified Nurses Day. Along with Certified Nurses Day coming up, we also have a ANCC digital collateral page. This breaks down all ANCC programs. So it has all of the resources, recordings of our previous presentations, all available on the ANCC Digital Collateral page. So if you need content regarding certification, advanced practice, magnet pathway, measurement services, which we talked about the readiness test earlier, or accreditation, it's all available here.